Recording. All right. What's up, adventurers? Welcome back to another adventure. So it is the night before. Tomorrow morning, me and Chad are going out to a lake that's near us. I'm not gonna tell you which lake because I don't know. Okay, it's Carter Lake. Most of you probably have seen like Ben Milliken or something like that fishing there, but whatever. So we are taking out the boat. I've actually bought this boat probably 2 months ago, maybe at the most. I've taken it out a few times. This is the first time I'm showing it to you guys, and this was the first time Chad is seeing the boat and even going to be on the boat. So hopefully tomorrow is a freaking awesome day and we destroy some slaunches, okay? But let's get a closer look at the boat. On the boat, we put this right here. It's got for the seat mounts on it. It's the captain's seat. I'm actually going to plan on extending this back a little bit so we have a little more room to work up there. Eligible to sit 3 people comfortably. So maybe we'll get 3 or 4 on there, party it up, you know, big banger on this tiny boat here. But it comes with a trolling motor, a 35-pound trolling motor, and a 25-horse Mercury motor. Came with it, came with the fuel cell. Check that out. Pre-named, might change the name, who knows. I've already kind of jacked up the prop a little bit, hit a few rocks in the river, but it still works, you know. But it's a solid boat. Comes with a light for the back. The lights on the front work. The trailer was homemade. They took a normal boat trailer, took everything off of it, and then put wood all the way across because it's a flat bottom boat. That way it's easier to load and unload. Comes with a fish finder, a depth finder that actually works, which is extremely surprising that it works. We had to get a battery for it. Comes with the trolling motor, I said, the foot pedal, the seat. I mean, that's pretty much the boat. I got it for steel. We're gonna have fun on it and catch some big ones. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow. And this is Midwest Adventures.
All right, boys and girls, it is the next morning. So I'm here at Chad's to pick up Chad, but change of plans. We are not going to Carter Lake. We are going probably an hour and a half away to a small town that has a big campground, big lake. Try that out for a few hours this morning, but I'm here. We'll go in and wake up this lazy bum because I know he's probably not up. Catch you guys soon. This is prime, dude. I forgot this was like this over here. If you don't get any bites on the top water here in like 15 minutes, I'm gonna switch you out because I'm not gonna be done. I think a crankbait or a spinnerbait around these trees would be pretty fire, to be honest with you. Right now, Chad is using the frog. I'm using a Guggen Squad Lunker Log. Otherwise, it's a Texas rig, unpegged. Little learning experience, Chad. Texas rig, you get a weight above. Unpegged means your weight floats. We are right on top of this.
The only thing that's not good for top water right now is that it's so freaking sunny. I might try a big old fucking 10-inch worm. Wow. Wow. I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but that was big. And we're going towards that now. Because it wasn't that far away. You can probably see the ripples still. Yeah, you jumped right there, about 20 yards out. Like, right there, no. Right next to my shit, bro. Okay, we gotta get a little closer. I don't want to get too close and spook him though. That's a big fish. I'm gonna say at least 5. We'll kind of stay kind of close to the bank over here. Making a change, folks. All right, so I'm using a 5/16 jig head. It's kind of black and blue, and it's got black and white with a little bit of blue mixed in it. I'm using I'm gonna call it a shad killer swim jig or swim bait, because we're in about 3 foot of water. And this is where they're jumping. So Chad's still on top water. So I'm gonna try this to see if this works. This jig head is also made by Guggen Squad. Or Guggen Baits, not Guggen Squad, Guggen Baits. Yeah, shout out to Flair and their success on their Guggen Squad channel and their individual channels. One day I'll be there. Hopefully we're at that level. I'm gonna stay anchored for a few. Ooh, right on the outside of it. Wow. It was actually only like a foot and a half deep right here. Yeah. No, just big old mud turd. Big old fish duke. Well, no, you're making me steer all fucked up though. The water's pretty murky, but there's the action if you can see it at all. You want to hit these trees in the middle first? Just trying to make like a zigzag back and forth, I guess. We're gonna hit every square inch of this goddamn lake. I mean, it's a big lake, but the other side, if we go across underneath the road over there, that opens up to like a, I think it's 25 or 30 acre lake. This one over here is probably fucking 10 acres. You want away from the trees that won't hit. Yep, right there. That's where I'm going. I'm on my way, bud. Just stay there, please. Could really use you. Haven't caught a decent fish in a few weeks. It is a hot son of a bitch out here, folks. It's 9:30 in the morning and it is like 85 degrees already. Fahrenheit. Oh, it is now. All right. Well, folks, yeah, that one. We haven't caught anything yet, but they're jumping everywhere. We just got to figure out what they want. So, switch Chad over to a spinner. It's a yellow and white one. It's got a double spinner thing on it. Whatever you want to call those. It is hot though, like hot. Got some clouds in the sky, not a whole lot though. It's mostly like bluebird conditions, but we're gonna keep grinding, keep sweating. Eventually one of us will probably be in the water. But let's go. Good freaking God. Wow. Was I filming that? I was. I hope I got that. Caught it. freaking giant fish. Pretty sure it's the one we saw flopping around all morning.
Did he get it? Come on.
He didn't want us to see the fish. It's throwing a worm though.
What's that?
It's throwing a worm.
Really?
That was a branch. You should really clear this out a little more right here by the boat ramp.
There you go.
You would think.